Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include cargo area underfloor, rear view camera, remote start, steering wheel controls, Uconnect system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2020 1500. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.